We are the Truffle Dog Company. Alana,
Duff, Lolo, and Ryu. So we sell truffles all over the world, from Seattle and Vancouver, BC, to Chicago and New York, to London, and farther afield. Truffles are a mushroom that grows underground. They are used in a culinary sense in a lot of Italian dishes and French food. They have a very high culinary value and they're very difficult to find, and that's why they're so expensive. What makes us different at Truffle Dog Company is that we use specialized, highly trained dogs to find truffles. The key to using animals is that they only find the ripest truffles that are out in the field. And it's only when truffles are ripe that they're at their culinary peak.
Good job, yeah.
Dogs also are much friendlier on the environment when harvesting as opposed to alternative methods. So there's this amazing moment when your dog alerts on a truffle.
Wow, sweetie, good girl. Yeah.
It's not just you out truffle hunting, and it's not just the dog out truffle hunting. It really is a partnership.
Pigs are also very good at hunting truffles. I want to go hang out with dogs and pigs and dig in the dirt. It looks like so much fun. Anyway, thank you, Truffle Company. I'm going to call you with an order very shortly. That made my mouth water. Thanks to all of our guests today. Thanks to you guys for watching, and we'll see you when we see everybody. Bye-bye.